coming across, coming down. On one side going to the solenoid valve, and on the other side, halon to the vacuum switch. We got pressure up here. You can see positive pressure. So basically we'll read the pressure here, and once it's a positive, we'll turn the humidifier on. Oh man, it's got a filter on it. It's pretty cool. State of the art stuff back in the 70s, baby.